What's up, guys? So today we are playing car suspension test, and today we are gonna see the new update. Oh wait, there's a. So I really wonder who this guy is. It's a whole monster truck. I wonder who that guy is. If you're watching this right now, bro, yes. But I don't know who that is. I think it's just a stranger's thing. He's AFK. This is eating lunch. Look, see? Alright, guys. And since he's AFK, we're gonna go to the update. See you. Such a good bus. I'm such a good bus driver, guys. Okay. Let's go to this island. Okay. Let's spawn. So I'm gonna go any mini money mo. Ready? Any mini money mo. Touch the tiger by his toe. If you want a mini mo, any mini money mo. Pirate ship first. Okay, so I'm gonna show you the interior before even looking at this thing and driving it. So there's a secret area here. Okay, so this is the downstairs back island. Wait, I'm getting wet. This is the downstairs. As you can see, there's floor, but it's flooded from last mission. After that, we move here. Got a table. That's all included. That's just a like here. Up here, we have cadence. Yeah, we have the Titanic. Okay, screw that. Okay, we have a compass, I think, yeah. And then we have the driving. I cannot. Let's see this pirate ship in action. Watch this, guys. Oh, this is crazy. Okay, let's go back. Oh. Okay, we're gonna go to the pier because this is very bad. I need to spawn up faster. So this one is X'd out in the list of the boats to drive in the Boom! Next is any mini mini mo. This will take a buy it. So if you want a mini mo, any mini mini mo. This one. Okay. Wait, did I spawn it? No way. No way I spawned it. I spawned it under the boat. Spawn. Okay. So guys, this is speed. Let me go to live real quick so you can see the interior. It's really fast. Alright guys. So here, as you can see, there's an area to hop on or place bags. There's seats, a freezer, and the driver's place with water thingy. guess that was checked out of the list. So we only have 2 more to go, and then I'll be doing solos with each of them. Any, mini, money, mo. Touch the tiger by his toe if you want a mini, mo. Any, mini, money, mo. My favorite! Okay, let's just do this first. Let's just do this. Because we have to save my favorite for last, you know. So this is jet checked off the list. This jet ski. Now we got my favorite boat. This is already a beauty. When you spawn it, look at this. Wow. Oh my gosh. It's so beautiful. Okay. So we have my favorite and best boat. So here we have the engine. We have this is a 6-person seater. We can open this notch, close this notch. We have a area for bags here. We have a fuel pump here. And then we have the driver's seat with 2 seats. Okay, let's go. boat. Good job, boat. You did really good. Okay, next boat, jet ski. There you go. I'm ready. Let's go. It for the jet ski. Now the last and final, my favorite. Let's go. Guys, that is it for the finale. So I guess that's it for the video too. So I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.